What if your home could hold you like a gentle embrace when the wind turns cold? As summer fades into memory and the golden tones of fall begin to settle in, there's a longing that rises in us, a yearning for warmth, for safety, for stillness. That instinct to nest, to soften the edges of our daily routines, to create a cocoon of comfort is deeply human. And it's beautifully embodied in the Danish concept of hygge. More than just candles and cozy throws, hygge is a philosophy of intentional living. It asks us to slow down, to cultivate presence, and to honor the everyday moments that nourish us. In the context of home decoration, it becomes an art form transforming our living spaces into sanctuaries of peace and pleasure. Autumn is the perfect season to embrace this mindset. Nature teaches us to let go, to turn inward, and to celebrate transition. The rustling leaves, the early twilight, the scent of spiced apples and cedarwood all invite us to participate in the season's quiet magic. Your home can reflect this rhythm, becoming not just a shelter from the cold, but a living expression of comfort and care. Begin with warmth. Literally. Swap out lightweight textiles for plush blankets, woolen throws, and rich flannel sheets. Opt for layered bedding and tactile textures that invite the body to rest. Incorporate warm color palettes: burnt orange, ochre, burgundy, deep green that echo the earth's turning leaves. Lighting is essential in crafting a hygge home. Harsh overhead lights are the enemy of coziness. Instead, think in layers: string lights, paper lanterns, table lamps, and, of course, candles, real or flameless. The glow of candlelight has been scientifically linked to relaxation, reducing cortisol and signaling the brain to slow down. Add seasonal scents through essential oil diffusers, simmer pots, or naturally scented decor like dried oranges and cinnamon sticks. These small touches create sensory rituals that ground you in the moment. Pair them with sound: soft instrumental music, the crackling of a fireplace, or even recorded rain sounds can transport your space into serenity. Furniture arrangement also plays a role. Create nooks of intimacy. Reading corners with oversized chairs and cushions. A breakfast table bathed in morning light. Rearranging your space to support meaningful connection with others and with yourself is at the heart of hygge. Even decluttering contributes to this vision. A calm space fosters a calm mind. Store away summer items and keep your surroundings minimal yet intentional. Every object should earn its place by bringing you joy, warmth, or functionality. Finally, invite the outside in. Autumnal wreaths, bowls of pine cones, foraged branches, and fresh mums connect your space to nature's cycles. Celebrate seasonal rituals: baking a favorite pie, hosting a cozy dinner, journaling beside the window on a rainy day. Creating a hygge-inspired home is not about trends, it's about tuning into what makes you feel truly at home. And in a world that often moves too fast, these autumnal habits offer an antidote. They teach us to savor rather than rush, to feel rather than perform. So, how are you planning to transform your home into a hygge haven this fall? Is there a habit or detail you can't live without as the days grow shorter?